Alright, didn't take too many videos. Maybe when I get the dyno and get it running, and maybe I'll take more videos of doing that stuff. But till then, I got some slides. I'll just go over things I did. Some video. This is the harmonic balancer puller. I got off Amazon for 20 bucks or something like that. Works really good. I think it's like OEM tools or some shit like that. This is the Milwaukee half-inch impact. It works awesome. To remove the bolt, it's always a pain in the ass. I'm just heating up the harmonic balancer with the torch. I've had that torch for like 8 years or something. It's still going. I have no idea how. At least it hasn't ran out yet. Bring it back a little bit. Yeah, just stick it on, heat it up, push it on. Drilling. Tightening it up. Works really awesome. I don't know why I have the AC bracket on. I don't have AC. Not going to anyway. That's the cam that I used. It's the Elgin 1840. You can get off on Jegs for like $260 or something like that. It's a pretty good cam. These are the Pack 1218 racing springs. They're pretty good too. I think I got them for like 200 bucks maybe. I'm not sure. Can't remember. Pretty beefy compared to the stocks. That's the old fuel pump. Looks like shit. Filter was all cut up. That's the new old Wild Bar 450 there, buddy. Yeah. Works pretty good. Cut the metal tube a little bit to put the new one on so it would go up closer. So it would actually fit in there. But the filter kind of touches the bottom of the tank. Hopefully it works decently after I start putting power to it in the dyno. The inside tore out. Oh yeah, the gauges, like the gas gauge is not working. I don't know why. I have to figure that out also. I'm not sure if it's because of the wiring I took out or what. I was going to put a new gasket on the old timing cover, but I think I fucked this one up. Hitting it, trying to get it out, heating it up, doing stupid stuff. So I cracked the timing cover. Now pushing it in, smacking it down. Make sure it's in there good, flush. Wiping down, putting the gasket on. I already got a razor blade and went around it, cleaned it with carb spray and all that good stuff. You kind of want to, on that very bottom left corners, you want to put RTV where the timing cover and the oil pan goes, in that corner. It always leaks from there. And just line it up, tighten it down like a drum, whatever. Done. Me putting the water pump on. I love those little Milwaukee impact tools. They're pretty sweet. The 12 volts are sweet. There's some wiring I have to go through. Kind of a pain in the ass. You just kind of work on it little by little and it comes together. Did have like a Haynes book or whatever. That helped a lot. Look at the diagrams, where stuff is, blah blah blah. And here's some pictures. It's kind of the wiring, how it's coming out. Let me put a new harness through. There's my fan relay and my water or fuel pump relay. Just kind of cleaning the bay up. Here is a 1/2 ohm in the speed or the RPM gauge. It's supposed to work because it's a V8. You went from a 4-cylinder to a V8, and it didn't really work. It kind of bounces up and down, so I don't think it works. You could try it. It didn't work for me. I just have to look at the Terminator X's screen. There's the engine bay all kind of cleaned up. I use the braided wire loom, the split loom. Don't use that plastic shit because it's a joke. So use that nice like soft braided split loom. It looks really good. Makes it look clean. Just use it. It's a lot better. Maybe a little bit more money, but well worth it. More pictures of the engine bay. Sure, my fuel lines come up. The dash and stuff back together. Yeah, I put the new pedal in. The Willwood. It was like a universal pedal for the T56. And it was a little short, so I actually made a bracket. I took that the pedal, the flat part off, where you put your foot on, the silver part, and I made one out of steel. And I put it on there, made it a little bit longer. It works. There's the starter. I had to kind of cut down where the bolt goes through. That's a starter for a truck motor, so a truck starter will not work for a T56. That's just cutting and refabbing. I had to cut it and made it work. Kind of rigged it. Don't put your turbo return line, oil return line there, because right behind it is the pickup tube. So I had to cap that bitch off.
Maui Wowie, that bubble gum, purple down my weed, you know, Maui Wowie.
There's the radiator fan. I think it's a Taurus fan. I'm not sure about the radiator. I'll comment below if I remember.
Just oozing gum.
It runs. That's T56. Had to cut the panel a little bit in the floor, get it to fit. Put the Terminator X in the middle in that little slot. Worked out pretty good.